Hello. I'm Tae-hun Kim, CEO of PT Brow. At first, I majored in electronic engineering, then studied medicine, and then physical therapy. I think I spent nearly 20 years studying these various fields. And while working at LG, I was able to gain a lot of knowledge about materials. My professor and friends said, hey, why don't you try making a product? They told me my ideas and creativity were really great. So that's when I started making ACHELESS. With this ACHELESS product, there was a national dental science competition. We won first place there, and as a result, our company became a third-year business. When we were young, we never really had trouble sleeping or anything like that. But as adults, we can't sleep when we want to, or we can't concentrate when we want to study or focus. I wondered why these things happen, and it turns out that the stability of our brains is being shaken a lot by all the things in modern society. In the case of ACHELESS, it has a very strong effect of stabilizing this kind of instability in the brain through indirect stimulation. Originally, the purpose of ACHELESS was to target painkillers for things like migraines or headaches caused by TMJD-related temporomandibular joint disorders. But during clinical trials, we found that everyone just falls asleep. We investigated this and thoroughly reviewed the literature and found that there is a prestigious neurology journal in the US called the Journal of Neurology. According to that journal, these kinds of stimulations induce sleep. So we decided to try developing it as a sleep-inducing product as well. However, the existing types of therapeutic devices couldn't effectively address temporomandibular joint disorders. That's because you need to sufficiently stimulate the sensory cells of the trigeminal nerve, which are located about 0.3 millimeters beneath the skin. If you properly stimulate this area, it can indirectly stimulate the vagus nerve below, helping to shift the body into a more relaxed mode. Because this mechanism has been present since childhood, it helps to comfortably control the entire brain. The key lies here, in the hair. You need to make contact with these trigger points inside the hair. But with the traditional electrode method, you can't reach them. But we made it possible by designing a headset that gently reaches those points without pain. With this method, even a very small amount of current can deliver electrical stimulation deeply to the desired depth without causing pain. If you try to reach that depth with other products, it hurts a lot. But with ours, it doesn't hurt. This technology proved its innovation by winning the Innovation Award in the digital healthcare category at CES in the US. Since we applied for US and global patents and included disease names, the medical technology authorities have to review it. So the review process at the Patent Medical Technology Office is quite strict. But this August, when our patent was officially registered in the US, it was a recognition that our technology and our ideas were right. When we founded our company, we thought about a lot of values, but the value we had in mind from the very beginning is this: better health for people. When it comes to a healthy life, it includes quality of sleep, mental well-being, the ability to focus on studying, and the feeling of happiness. These are all part of what we call health. That's what we believe. We hope that ACHELESS can become a product that helps, even just a little, with people's health and happiness.